friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Holly. Welcome. I'm happy to have you here. Today I'm sharing with you a recipe for artichoke Parmesan bites, and these are made with phyllo shells. So these are really easy. The recipe calls for 2 packs of these, but I only had one in my freezer, so I'm just going to go ahead with the one and still make it the way it would be made technically. You do need 4 ounces of, or half a block of cream cheese. It calls for 3 jars of artichokes, 6 ounces. That's 14-ounce can, so I'm missing like 4 ounces. It does call for a 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, which is in the recipe, and I changed the garlic salt to a teaspoon of garlic powder instead. But I'm going to leave the link down below of the original recipe so you can get this. But I think it'll work out fine. Like I said, it's just not as much of the artichoke, and I'm just changing garlic salt to garlic powder instead. Now take the artichoke hearts and make sure that they are drained of all the juice. Put it in a food processor, and the can that I bought already had, they were already chopped, but they need to be chopped up a little bit more. So put that in your food processor, pulse it for about 4 times or so, and once that's done, and I did it a little bit more, add your cream cheese, and then you will pulse that again. You want to make sure that that gets mixed in, so make sure it's well combined. So once it does, and you can see how it's kind of just moving around there, but then it kind of blends in with the artichokes. Then add your Parmesan cheese, and just carefully do that. Add the garlic powder, or if you're adding the garlic salt, you can do that as well. And then pulse it again for a few more times. You just want to make sure that everything is completely combined, and you will have to scrape down the sides. So as you can see, it's mixing it, but you want to scrape down the sides as much as you can and just make sure everything is fully incorporated. Pulse it one more time. And once you're done, line a cookie sheet with those little shells, and then you will fill these. I just used a butter knife. I felt like that was the easiest thing to use. Just take it and just fill them up, and that's all you really need to do. And you just want to level it off the best that you can. You can put a little bit more if you want to make it a little bit higher, but I just kind of ended up making them level with the shells. Continue to fill them up and put it in a 350 preheated oven on. You can bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes, so to your desired likeness. And that's what I had left, and I just used that. I waited to get some more shells and to fill them, but this is what they look like when they come out. These were really good. The only thing I would say is I would add more garlic powder to it. I don't know about the salt because that's not what I added, but the garlic powder, I would have liked to have had just a little bit more of the garlic flavor. And these would be a great little appetizer for Easter or Mother's Day, any type of little get-together. They did turn out good. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.